Adjustment settings for the power seat, door mirrors and heads-up display can be stored in the memory buttons located on inside of either one or both front doors. Adjust the seat, door mirrors and heads-up display to the desired position. Press and hold the M button. The indicator light in the button will illuminate. Within 3 seconds, press the 1 or 2 button. Briefly press one of the memory buttons 1 or 2. The power seats, door mirrors and heads-up display will move and stop at the position stored in that button. Press and hold one of the memory buttons 1 or 2 until the seat, door mirrors and heads-up display stop in the position stored in that memory button. If the memory button is released, the seat, door mirrors and heads-up display will stop moving.